Alright, so these are the earpieces, and people have Bose. One of the cool features that we have is after a while the ear pads will get messed up and you can get replacements. Let's see what this is all about here. I guess there's some fiber, so that's cool. And luckily it comes with instructions, so later on I'll take a look at the instructions. And I guess there's a right ear and a left ear, so that's also helpful when they give you instructions. And they give you some kind of lettering system, so that's good. That'll make it easier to replace those. And let's see, take a look at the instructions real quick. Huh. It should be pretty straightforward anyway.
Likey.